This is my Tesla Model 3. And it's a great car, but it could be improved in a few places. For example, this wooden trim piece, it makes it look like my grandma's living room in here. Along with this weird looking back end that kind of just falls off. Luckily, Extreme Online Store is a perfect fix for it with their carbon fiber interior trim piece and a rear spoiler. They make it extremely easy to install because they already laid out 3M tape. All you have to do is peel off the red stripe and then lay it right over the wooden trim piece. So now that the tape's all ready, all we have to do is stick it on the wood. And they made this piece fit extremely perfect, so all you have to do is pop it on and it should fit. And just like that, it snaps right into place and it makes the interior look so much better and fits perfectly with my carbon fiber center console. So now that we got the first issue out of the way, it's time to get started on the spoiler. So they do provide us with some 3M tape, so all we have to do is wipe down this back of the spoiler, stick the 3M tape on, wipe the back end of the Tesla off, and then we just slap it on. So here's my very crappy tape job, but I think it'll still do the job. So now we're gonna stick the spoiler on. Hopefully we align it right, because if we don't, then we're kind of stuck living with a very crooked spoiler, just like my Z06. So I'm gonna grab it. I'm so gonna mess this up. So now I just got the spoiler stuck on, and I got the alignment almost perfect, and this gloss black finish matches the Tesla's black, literally almost perfect. So I highly recommend all you Model 3 guys, go check out Extreme Online Store for your spoiler, your interior trim. They've got side skirts, diffusers, front lips, they got everything, so go check them out.